Alright, 10 rounds at 60 yards. We're going to get some arrows in today, see where we land. I was going to give it an extra yard and I forgot about that until I was in the middle of my shot. Looks like it landed pretty good still though. It's right on the edge of the yellow and the red. As you guys have obviously seen. You're looking at it right now. It's in the red. That one drifted a little bit to the right as I was pulling through. Not bad though. Looks like that was right on the yellow. So that was round one. Not a bad first round. Alright, so we got 2 yellows and a red on the first end. So let's keep that going. Keep it in the center. That felt good. Where did that hit? Alright, looks like that was right in the blue. That felt solid. That's right in the yellow there. Alright, round 2. Not terrible shooting so far. I got a 6, and I think it was right on the edge of a 9. Holding pretty steady though. Holding pretty steady today. Been doing a lot of blank bailing in the house lately. Just getting shots in, just to keep the arm up to par. Hit right in the red. Just work on consistency. Just hit it in the blue and in today. Aim for the yellow, but blue and in, and that's all I'm trying to do for 10 rounds. Not bad. Another one in the red. Just keep sending it. Alright, that one's right in the yellow. I'll take that all day. Remember to get this flap up. I hate it when I forget that. Looks like that was right in the red or the blue. That felt like a solid shot, but must just have dropped a little bit. Another one right in the blue. Oh, of course, one high in the white. I wasn't feeling that one, that's for sure. It's just kind of all over the place. Alright, well we dropped 2 on that last end, so that's not great. So we're going to have to make up for that. Hopefully we can hit some reds and yellows to make those points up. Red. I feel like I pulled that one. It wasn't going off, so I feel like I made it go off, but maybe I didn't. We'll see. We'll look at the footage. Another one in the black. And 2 in the black. That's not great. Alright, end 4 right here. 2 in the black last round, so not great. Falling apart here. One in the blue. One shot in the red there. I think that one was in the yellow. Not terrible. Felt pretty good. Might have been low. Phone died, so I can't see where I'm hitting anymore. That's alright, probably for the best. That one felt pretty solid. That one was kind of all over the place, but then I recentered and felt like it went off pretty solid, so we'll go see what it looks like. So we had a couple in the yellow, which was good. One that I dropped low, probably the one that I was thinking I dropped low. That was in the black, hit a 3. That felt pretty good. It's starting to snow a little bit. It's coming down. I'll have to hurry up. That one felt money. That felt real good. It's parked right in the center. We'll see where it hit. It's nice being able to actually see where each arrow was hitting based on how it feels. So I won't know until I look at the footage which arrow was which. That one felt high left. That's what that felt like. Felt like it didn't want to go off. I almost feel like my peep is moving a little bit, or rotating. It doesn't look like it. Go deeper on the trigger. That one felt pretty good. Alright, it's starting to come down, so I'm going to have to run and get this done real quick. So I got the camera out here. That felt solid. Felt right on right there. That felt okay. If anything, it might have hit a little bit to the right. I think that felt good. Alright, a couple rounds to go. Maybe a little low. Snow is coming down harder. At least it's not raining. Alright, we got the last end right here. Let's finish it strong. That one didn't feel good at all. It drifted all the way to the edge of the paper when it went off. That one felt like it was to the left as well. Alright, that one felt solid. That felt really good, so hey, not a great round of shooting, but at least I ended on a good shot. Alright, we just got done shooting. 10 rounds at 60 yards. Honestly, not a great day of shooting. Not at all. First couple of rounds felt good. And man, I just fell apart towards the end. I definitely feel like I was getting a little tired, even just only 10 rounds with one round of practice. Oh, there goes my bow case. So, speaking of skiing, I was waxing my board, and then I brought my bow case into the garage and set it on top of that fold-up table that I was waxing my board on. And then I finally thought about it earlier today. I was like, oh shit, that's why it's flying around back there. The bottom of my bow case is all waxed up. So that's why I shot bad today. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it.